Earth is special. It's a planet teeming with life, a vibrant blue oasis in the vastness of space. What makes Earth so unique? One word: atmosphere. You can't see it, but it's always there, enveloping our planet like a protective blanket. This invisible shield of gases is essential for life as we know it. Without it, Earth would be a barren and hostile wasteland like our neighbor Mars. So let's take a journey to understand this precious layer of gas and appreciate its vital role in our existence. The air we breathe is a mixture of gases, each with its own unique properties. These gases are invisible to the naked eye, yet they play a crucial role in sustaining life on our planet. When we take a deep breath, we might not think about the complex composition of the air entering our lungs, but it's a fascinating blend of elements that work together to create the atmosphere we depend on. The most abundant gas is nitrogen, making up about 78% of the atmosphere. Nitrogen is essential for plant growth, as it is a major component of chlorophyll, the compound plants use in photosynthesis to convert sunlight into energy. Despite its abundance, nitrogen is relatively inert, and does not easily react with other substances, which helps maintain the stability of our atmosphere. Next comes oxygen, vital for our survival, at around 21%. Oxygen is the gas that fuels our cells and allows us to produce energy. Without it, life as we know it would not exist. Every breath we take delivers oxygen to our bloodstream, which then transports it to every cell in our body. This process is essential for our metabolism and overall health. The remaining 1% includes trace amounts of other gases like argon, carbon dioxide, and neon. Although these gases are present in much smaller quantities, they have significant impacts. For instance, carbon dioxide is a key player in the greenhouse effect, which helps regulate the Earth's temperature. Argon, on the other hand, is used in various industrial processes due to its inert nature. This delicate balance of gases is crucial for life on Earth. The right proportions of nitrogen, oxygen, and trace gases create an environment where plants, animals, and humans can thrive. Any significant changes in this balance could have profound effects on our climate and ecosystems. Oxygen allows us to breathe, while nitrogen helps regulate the planet's temperature. The interplay between these gases ensures that our planet remains habitable. For example, nitrogen helps to dilute oxygen and prevent spontaneous combustion, while oxygen supports combustion and is necessary for life. Even the tiny amounts of other gases play important roles in shaping our climate and supporting life. For instance, neon is used in lighting and high-voltage indicators, while trace amounts of other gases contribute to the overall stability and functionality of our atmosphere. Understanding the composition of the air we breathe helps us appreciate the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. Our atmosphere is more than just air to breathe. It's our planet's first line of defense against the dangers of space. Think of it as a giant security system, constantly safeguarding us from incoming threats. One of its most important jobs is protecting us from meteoroids. These space rocks hurtle towards Earth at incredible speeds, but our atmosphere acts like a giant brake pad. As meteoroids enter the atmosphere, friction with the air causes them to heat up and burn, often disintegrating completely before they can reach the ground. To truly appreciate our atmosphere, let's take a look at a planet that doesn't have one: Mars. Once thought to be similar to Earth, Mars is now a dry, desolate world with a very thin atmosphere. Without a thick atmosphere to protect it, Mars is exposed to the harsh realities of space. Temperatures fluctuate wildly between extreme heat and freezing cold. The lack of a substantial atmosphere also means that liquid water, essential for life as we know it, cannot exist on the Martian surface. Section 5. The Sun's Kiss, Temperature Regulation. Our atmosphere plays a crucial role in regulating Earth's temperature, keeping it within a range suitable for life. This process is like a delicate dance between the sun's energy and our planet's surface. The sun constantly bombards Earth with radiation, but our atmosphere absorbs and reflects some of this energy, preventing our planet from overheating. At the same time, the atmosphere traps some of the heat radiated back from Earth's surface, keeping our planet warm enough to support life. Section 6. The invisible shield blocking harmful radiation. The sun is a source of life, but it also emits harmful radiation that can be dangerous to living organisms. Fortunately, our atmosphere acts like a giant sunscreen, filtering out much of this harmful radiation. The ozone layer, a region in the stratosphere, plays a critical role in absorbing most of the sun's ultraviolet radiation. UV radiation can cause skin cancer and other health problems, so the ozone layer is essential for protecting life on Earth. Section 7. A world without breath. Imagining a lifeless Earth. Imagine Earth without its atmosphere. The sky would be black, even in the daytime, because there would be no air to scatter sunlight. Without air to breathe, all living things would suffocate. Temperatures would fluctuate wildly, with scorching heat during the day and freezing cold at night. Liquid water would evaporate into space or freeze solid, leaving behind a dry and desolate world. In short, Earth would be a lifeless and unrecognizable planet. Section 8. Appreciating our atmosphere. A call to action. Our atmosphere is a precious and fragile gift. It envelops our planet, providing the air we breathe, protecting us from harmful solar radiation, and regulating our climate. Without it, life as we know it would not exist. The atmosphere is a complex and dynamic system, constantly interacting with the land, oceans, and living organisms. It is a delicate balance that has been maintained for millions of years, but now, it is under threat. It's easy to take it for granted, but we must remember that it's not invincible. Every breath we take, every cloud we see, and every weather pattern we experience is a result of the intricate workings of our atmosphere. However, human activities are disrupting this balance. The burning of fossil fuels releases carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the air, trapping heat and causing global temperatures to rise. This leads to more extreme weather events, melting ice caps, and rising sea levels. Human activities, such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation, are polluting our atmosphere and changing its delicate balance. Deforestation not only releases stored carbon dioxide but also reduces the number of trees that can absorb this gas. Industrial processes and agricultural practices add to the burden, releasing pollutants that harm air quality and contribute to climate change. The consequences of these actions are far-reaching, affecting not just the environment but also human health and livelihoods. We have a responsibility to protect this vital life support system for ourselves and future generations. Simple actions such as reducing energy consumption, using public transportation, and supporting renewable energy sources can make a significant difference. Planting trees, conserving forests, and promoting sustainable agricultural practices are also crucial steps in mitigating the impact of human activities on the atmosphere. By working together, we can create a healthier and more sustainable future. By understanding the importance of our atmosphere and the threats it faces, we can make informed choices to reduce our impact and preserve this precious resource. Education and awareness are key. Scientists and environmentalists are working tirelessly to study the changes in our atmosphere and develop solutions to combat these challenges. Community involvement and policy changes are essential in driving the collective action needed to protect our planet. We must act now to ensure that future generations can continue to enjoy the blue skies, clean air, and life-sustaining properties of our planet's remarkable atmosphere. The time for action is now. Every small step we take contributes to a larger movement towards a healthier planet. Let us cherish and protect our atmosphere, for it is the very essence of life on Earth. Together, we can make a difference and ensure a brighter, cleaner future for all. Section 9. Conclusion. Earth's atmosphere, a precious gift. Earth's atmosphere is a marvel of nature, a delicate and intricate system that makes life on our planet possible. This thin layer of gases enveloping our planet is not just a random occurrence, it is a finely tuned balance that has evolved over billions of years. The atmosphere is composed of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and other trace gases, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the conditions necessary for life. Without this protective shield, Earth would be exposed to the harshness of space, with extreme temperatures and harmful solar radiation making life as we know it impossible. It provides us with the air we breathe, protects us from harm, regulates our climate, and supports the water cycle, which is essential for all living organisms. The ozone layer, a vital component of the atmosphere, acts as a barrier that absorbs and scatters ultraviolet radiation from the sun, shielding us from its damaging effects. The atmosphere also plays a key role in weather patterns and climate regulation, ensuring that our planet remains habitable. From gentle breezes to powerful storms, the dynamic nature of the atmosphere shapes our environment in countless ways, and makes Earth vibrant and teeming with life. The atmosphere's ability to trap heat through the greenhouse effect keeps our planet warm enough to sustain life. This delicate balance, however, is under threat from human activities such as deforestation, pollution, and the burning of fossil fuels, which release excessive amounts of greenhouse gases. These actions disrupt the natural equilibrium, leading to climate change and global warming, which pose significant risks to all forms of life on Earth. We must cherish and protect this precious gift, recognizing that our actions have a profound impact on the atmosphere. By adopting sustainable practices, reducing our carbon footprint, and supporting environmental conservation efforts, we can help preserve the atmosphere for future generations. Simple actions like planting trees, reducing waste, and using renewable energy sources can make a significant difference. It is our collective responsibility to ensure that the atmosphere remains healthy and capable of supporting life. For without it, our planet would be a barren and lifeless wasteland. Imagine a world without the vibrant colors of nature, the soothing sounds of wildlife, or the refreshing feel of a cool breeze. Such a desolate existence would be the reality if we fail to protect our atmosphere. The stark contrast between a thriving Earth and a barren wasteland underscores the importance of our efforts to maintain the delicate balance of our atmosphere. Let us all do our part to ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at the beauty and wonder of Earth's atmosphere. By educating ourselves and others about the importance of the atmosphere, advocating for policies that protect the environment, and making conscious choices in our daily lives, we can contribute to a sustainable future. The atmosphere is a shared resource, and its preservation is a shared responsibility. Together, we can ensure that the gift of Earth's atmosphere remains a source of life and inspiration for generations to come.